Hey guys, Chris with Fort Park Property Management and Real Estate Insurance. I know we've talked about this a lot. This is still a hot topic. Yes, the insurance crisis in BC is still as strong as ever. You may not have heard a lot about it in the last few months because people were preoccupied with COVID, but this thing has actually only gotten worse since we've been chatting about it earlier in the year. So everyone knows insurance premiums are going up. And we're seeing probably about an average of 40% in premium increases, and deductible increases are exponential. But why is it going up? People keep asking the question, why? And everyone wants to know. Everyone thinks the insurance brokers are making all the money and the insurance companies. Well, there's a multitude of factors at play here, and there isn't just one reason that it's going up. The main reason is economics, supply and demand. So there's so much demand here, is particularly in Vancouver, but all over North America, for property insurance right now as condos are being built, and there's a limited demand. The insurers aren't making as much money as they used to be, so they are putting their prices up or getting out of the market, which just creates a gap and it creates what's called a hard market. So why is that? Well, their costs. So why are the costs going up so much? The insurers, the brokers' costs, the insurance costs are going up. They're not making as much money. And why is that? Costs of reinsurance are going up. Why is reinsurance going up? Because there's been a ton of global disasters across the world in different areas, and the price that the insurers have to pay out just keeps going up. So there's more density going on right now. That creates more risk for the insurers. There is just overall, if you think about it, when there is a water, particularly water insurance issue, it costs a lot more now. 20 years ago, you just probably pull up the carpet, dry it out, but now you've got hardwood flooring, you've got really high-end kitchens, you've got a lot of densification. So in these condo buildings, it creates a domino effect. So not one unit is affected if they have a leak, but it could be 10 units down from there, right? With higher end finishings, cost goes up, insurance companies pay out more, therefore their costs go up and their prices go up. Another thing that's kind of unique to the West Coast here, not just to BC, but Washington and California as well, we happen to be on a fault line. So the earthquake risk is huge. You don't get that in Toronto. Why are they going up more than in Toronto, people ask? Because we're sitting on a fault line, and at some point we're going to have a massive earthquake, going to cause a lot of damage, and the insurers are going to be responsible for that. Some other things that we're seeing right now is in-suite laundry. We've seen more of that. If you look at apartments that were built 30 years ago, they didn't have in-suite laundry. Now they have it. That's creating more water damage and just more issues. And keep in mind that the Strata Property Act here in BC requires you insure for full rate replacement value. So what does that mean? That means the replacement values are going up. Costs of land are going up, but not just that, costs of labor and costs of materials, all that stuff adds to replacement costs. The Strata Corp has to insure the full replacement costs, and that's making it even higher. So, if the cost of your property is 30% higher than it was a couple years ago, that's going to be reflected. So all these reasons, hope that makes a little bit more sense. Article below, please check it out and call us if you have any questions.